All right, we finally made it to Vegas. Video's not gonna start with a box build, it's gonna start with a bit of road action, so let's do it! Oh, my Uber has arrived, bro. I'm telling you, this is what it's about, bro. Heading back to where we were. So just heard the truck has arrived and it's there right now. I thought it was coming tomorrow, but it's actually here right now. So that's good because we're gonna go build a box.
Wait, which kind of fish you got over?
There she is. Thank you, man. This is so good. We're here a day early. So like I said, I expected it to be here tomorrow, but it's here today. So today's Sunday and the show doesn't start till Tuesday. That gives us like actually a little bit of time to make some stuff happen. And I was checking, yeah, dude, she's leaking all over his windshield. Oh, fucking poor bloke driving. Windshield's covered in fucking tranny fluid. Oh, no way. Oh, man. Yeah. It's here, dude. Shout out to Archie. Massive shout out to Archie. Things covered his nice truck in friggin' trans fluid, so we're just unstrapping it, we'll back it off and then we'll get into it. All right, here's the setup. Just on the back of Jack's trailer for now. We're gonna get the box out. Let's go and have a look at the gearbox. There she is. So, nice new case. Which is that is gonna replace what we've currently got going on. It's a good box. It's got the 8-bolt pump in it and whatnot. Yeah, Craig Bailey was saying it's gonna have some good stuff in it. So anyway, yeah, got the stock converter, got a new shifter with it. So not that we'll be using any of that, but It's really good, and shout out to the boys for going and grabbing that, because it really helped me out. All right, trendsetters, we've got the box out. Yep, the box is on the piss, and so am I. So at least that's congruent. How good's this YouTube video gonna be? It's gonna be real good. We've got this box coming apart now. Oh, Craig helped me, shout out to Craig. So I just taken the pump off, and this is the forward drum and the clutches. I just want to show you because basically this red color here is what the clutches should look like, and this is what they actually look like. Burnt, like if you could smell this, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. See how they're all cracked and they're completely black. I want to check the rest of them and see what we can use and what we can't. Replacement box here. I will send it with the stock clutch packs if I need to. The stock clutches will work. They're not ideal, but they will work. So that's how they should look. The black band on it kind of thing is not great. It's not ideal, but they're in decent condition. When you compare it to that, all right, clear difference. Bushes, all good. Bit of wear, but it's happy days. Mint. All right, got the new box. We'll strip it down. Like I said, I do want to try and use.
I hit it with the rocks. I hit you with the rocks. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to.
You're good, man. OG.
I just try to test it and see.
Yeah, you're right,
I know
mate.
this freaking thing. We have to return it again.
Yeah.
We have to put it in the right tuning. That way, we don't have issues tomorrow.
Yeah.
But I'm sorry.
All good, brother.
All good.
No dramas.
Yes, sir.
We didn't have the camera going before, but old mate just done a little test like right there. Just spraying a few rocks. Yeah, no glass smashed, no dents, so we're all good. Yeah, so anyway, like I was saying, we're going to, I just want to reuse the clutch packs in the forward drum of this, and then aside from that, everything else looks in pretty good condition. All right, we struck oil here in the desert.
We're rich.
Little ball bearings, which we don't use in our setup, so I'm going to see about tipping these out. There we go.
Like Kieran said, we're in the sun, trying to get this thing going for SEMA, but yeah, we definitely Vegased a little bit last night, and the night before, and the night before that. But things you do. The old sphere over there, thing's pretty cool. And then yeah, we'll check back in soon, let you know how we're going.
Yeah. All right, so this is a forward drum out of the new box, quote unquote new box. And I need, well, I'm hoping that I can use the clutches out of this. Doesn't smell burnt. They are shitty stock clutches, but they will work.
Street skids?
Yep. What do you reckon, bro? Just put this back together and freaking run it.
Yep. It's got my vote. Give it the old yeehaw Glenn McGrath.
You're ridiculous. Cool. All right. That's good. Another difference is stock, what do you call these, bushes? Plastic. And we've got some brass ones, so I'll be swapping that gear over as I go, as I rebuild this thing. Nothing wrong with these, but when you're putting more power through it, it's just good to have some brass in there instead of this shit. So, all right. What else we got going on here, my boy? What up? Yesterday we found out the old stuff in the box is not going to work. I've lost a spool valve. It must have popped out when it blew up last time. So what we're going to do, we got this complete new trans. I'm going to do a DIY full manual dual feed direct and mix and match the clutches and just build like a janky ass Turbo 400. It will be full manual. I can increase the line pressure, and yeah, so we're gonna go to Home Depot, buy some taps, grub screws, and a bunch of other shit that we need to do this dodgy valve body, and then we'll get it together. So let's go.